Magandang buhay mga kaibigan, mga kapanalig. Naritong muli ang Matinik at ang Musikero Channel upang magatid na naman ng kaalaman sa larangan ng matematika. Pero bago ang lahat, bago natin simulan ang ating diskusyon, kung maaari lamang po, kung pwede lang, pakisubscribe na muna ng ating channel. Pakipress ng notification bell at ng like nang sa gayon ay lagi po kayong updated sa aming mga videos. Ngayon naman ang ating pag-uusapan is regarding about the derivation of equivalent simple interest rate of simple discount rate. At ito ngayon ang karugtong ng ating video nung nakaraang araw. Ito ang ating tinatawag na Mathematics of Finance Part 8, Equivalent Simple Interest Rate of Simple Discount Rate. Ngayon naman ay maaari na nating simulan ang ating diskusyon. Paano nga ba natin madiderive ang ating formula na ating tinatawag na equivalent simple interest rate of simple discount rate? Siyempre, kailangan natin ng tulong ng simple interest concept at ng simple discount concept. Para sa ating simple interest concept, I is equal to PRT, meaning simple interest is equal to principal times rate times the time, followed by F is equal to P plus I. Full amount equals principal plus interest. I is equal to PRT, gagawin nating equation 1. And then, F is equal to P plus I bilang equation 2. Ngayon naman madako tayo sa konsepto ng simple discount. Ang formula ng simple discount, I is equal to F dt, meaning simple discount equals face value times discount rate times time. And then, P is equal to F minus I. Ang ibig sabihin, proceeds is equal to face value minus simple discount. Ang I is equal to F dt, gagawin nating equation 3. At ang pangalawa naman bilang equation 4. Ngayon naman, substitute equation 1 to equation 2 under ng simple interest. Ano ngayon ang ating gagawin? F is equal to P plus PRT. Bakit? Dahil nga ang value ng I is equal to PRT. Kaya ang F is equal to P plus I is naging F is equal to P plus PRT. Dahil nga substitute equation 1 to equation 2. And then afterward, kung papansinin natin, F is equal to P plus PRT. Ang P at ang PRT ay may parehong term na P, meaning mayroon tayong common term na P, common monomial term na P, which means kailangan nating ma-factor out. That is why F is equal to P times 1 plus RT. Tatawagin natin yan bilang equation number 5. And then sa kabilang banda naman, under ng simple discount concept, substitute equation 3 to equation 4. So that we can have a formula of P is equal to F minus F dt dahil nga ang value ng I is equal to F dt. Kaya ang I, pinalitan natin ng F dt. Kaya ang P is equal to F minus I is naging P is equal to F minus F dt. Then afterward, we need to factor out F because F is the common factor of F minus F dt. P now is equal to F times 1 minus dt. At yan ay tatawagin nating equation number 6. And the next step, substitute equation 6 to equation 5. So that we can have this equation F is equal to F times 1 minus dt times 1 plus RT. Cancel natin ang parehong F sa left hand side at sa right hand side. Ang equation na lang natin is 1 equals 1 minus dt times 1 plus RT. And then with the 1 minus dt and 1 plus RT, we have to apply multiplication of two binomials. That is why we can have now 1 equals 1 plus RT minus dt minus dRT square. So both sides parehong may 1. Pwede na natin cancelin ang 1 sa left hand side at ang 1 sa right hand side. Kaya ang ating equation ngayon, RT minus dt minus dRT square is equal to 0. Ngayon naman ay maaari na nating hanapin ang equivalent interest rate of discount rate. Now we have RT minus DRT squared is equals to DT. Bakit? Ang dating DT na nasa left hand side na minus ang sign or negative ang sign is nasa right hand side na kasi nga nagkaroon tayo ng transposition method or transposition process. Ang sign ngayon ng DT is already positive na dating negative na nanggaling sa left hand side. And then we need to factor out RT. That is why we have now RT times 1 minus DT is equal to DT. Then dividing the entire equation by T and 1 minus DT. So that we can have R is equals to DT all over T times 1 minus DT times 100%. And then kung papansinin na natin ang ating equation, parehong may T ang numerator at ang denominator. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, maaari nating kanselain. Kaya ang value ng R natin ngayon, R is equal to D all over 1 minus DT times 100%. At yan ngayon ang ating formula para sa equivalent interest rate of discount rate. Patagumpay nating na-derive ang ating formula ng equivalent interest rate of discount rate. Thank you. Papuri sa Diyos magpakailanman, mabuhay ang bawat kabataang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.